What is artificial intelligence? Since the early days of computing, we've told computers what to do. We've programmed them to function a certain way, and we've done this by writing code. But today, computing has reached such an advanced level that we're asking the question, can a computer mimic human intelligence and make decisions on its own? That's the question that artificial intelligence is out to answer. Artificial intelligence is a broad term. Let's look a little more specifically at a few of the technologies that power AI. The most common method is machine learning. This is the process of using an algorithm to find patterns and make predictions on a given dataset. The next method is deep learning. This method imitates the way the human brain functions in how it processes data and makes decisions. The next method is NLP, or natural language processing. This is related to how a computer understands and analyzes human language. Now let's look at the two broad types of AI. The first type is weak AI. And well, it's called that because simply it's meant to function well in a very specific limited context. For example, a customer service chatbot. Its single purpose is to interact with the customer in an automated manner. The next type is strong AI. And the reason it's called this is because it is multi-purpose. It does a bunch of things well. You could think of a robot or a self-driving car as a great example of a multi-purpose AI solution. Now let's look at some of the applications and real-world use cases of AI. AI is what powers virtual assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple Siri. It automates customer support in the form of chatbots, which you find on a lot of websites today. Self-driving cars wouldn't be possible without the power of AI under the hood. While humans have been building robots for many decades now, AI in recent years has made it possible for robots to do tasks that previously only humans could do. With all this promise, there are a few that have fears straight out of sci-fi novels, wondering if one day AI and robots will completely replace humans or even be a threat to the human race. However, the more reasonable view is that AI and robots are here to simply augment and improve the quality of our lives. If understood and used in the correct way, AI is here to enable us to do our best work, and that's exciting. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon below.